Hey, how many do you have? Count how many you have.
1, 2, 3 Mickey Mouse.
Alright, you want to make Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Alright. We're going to take your come over here. Oh, sorry. Come over here. Right here. Good job. Sit down. Good job. Alright. We're going to take our Mickey Mouse. Let's find a nice little clean head. Here we go. There. And look, you put these right there. Does that look like Mickey? Kind of?
More.
Good job. That works too. Alright, we gotta skewer this one.
1 Mickey Mouse. 1 Mickey Mouse.
Pop this one in.
Yeah.
Ear number 1. Do the other one?
Yeah. So one next.
I think we might only need 2. I got more in case we need. Alright, you gotta make sure this one's somewhat even.
Me too.
Me too?
Me too.
Okay, there we go. Does that look like Mickey?
I do this.
Is that Mickey Mouse?
I do this.